Okay, I picked up a 2003 Toyota 4Runner. It's the V8 Sport Edition. Obviously, it's got a little roof rack on top. It's got 224,000 miles on it. It's dirty, but it's in really good shape on the inside. The seat is not even torn. It's a little worn right there, but it's not torn or anything. Dirty. It's got a new radio. They just spent $400 on that. It's all in good shape. It runs and drives. The strut on the right side has collapsed. It's got some rust issues. If you look under there, the rear end's got a lot of rust on it. It's not leaking or anything. And look at the frame on the back. It's rusted out completely. Believe it or not, this has still got a lot of strength to it. But that's just this back half. The rest of the frame is not rusted that bad. It's got new Michelin tires on it, or fairly new. They got about 3/4 of the tread, maybe half the tread. But this side, the frame is in good shape. A lot of surface rust. It's just scaling away. Exhaust is broken in half. Probably rusted in a joint. The skid plate on the gas tank is rusted pretty good. It's like the exhaust has been replaced at some point. But if you look, I'll shake this over here and the muffler doesn't move. So it's just broke at a joint above the muffler. Muffler looks like it's in good shape. Like I said, the strut on the front right has collapsed. But there she is. There's those tires. Pretty good shape. But I bought it from a customer and a friend of ours that wanted to get rid of it. It's got the JBL synthesis audio system, so it's probably got some nice speakers. The body's not rusted at all. If you look, no body rust whatsoever. It's crazy how much rust it got from underneath. And like I said, it's dirty. But everything's in good shape. Even got a sunroof. Just go around and pop the hood. Make sure you don't get run over. Okay, it's got the V8 4.7 liter, which is pretty cool. Not a lot of oil on it or anything like that. It's pretty dry. He's been keeping up with the oil changes. I got the records. Battery's good. No rust under here either. It's just the rust underneath on that frame. Evidently this car was up north. It's in good shape. Have to buff out the headlights. Why don't you start it up for me? Sounds good, sounds smooth. Running, you can hardly hear it. See, the strut failed. Here it is right there. This little bracket on the bottom, I think it's part of the strut that broke off. And so that just fell. And that's it. And if you notice, the CV axles, the boots are bad. It's like somebody took a chunk of grass with them. Radiator support badly rusted. Front part of the frame is badly rusted. The rest of the frame, if you look, is in real good shape. Not bad at all. Structurally, it's not a crack, it's just flaking. You want to see that for sure. But engine, great shape. I'm gonna fix this thing up a little bit and drive it for a little while. Paid $400 for it. I think it's worth it. What do you guys think? Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.